National Geographic has produced an amazing documentary called Stress, the Portrait of a Killer. The documentary primarily covers research on relationship stress conducted by renowned scientists. It shows the impacts on the health of animals and humans and their relationships. It has proven to be widely popular and an invaluable resource for our students. Robert Sapolsky, one of the head scientists, conducted his research on a baboon troop in Africa. The documentary shows Robert collecting blood samples from the top-ranking baboon to the lowest minion and measuring the amount of stress hormones contained in their blood. He says, "They are being stressed by social and psychological tumult, invented by their own species. They are a perfect model for westernized stress-related disease." What he found was that the baboon society was governed by a hierarchical structure, where the alpha male controlled the behavior of those under him by threatening their well-being. This behavior in turn was emulated all the way down the baboon social hierarchy. In other words, each baboon sought to control the behavior of those below them using threatening or bullying behavior. The blood samples revealed that the highest ranking baboons suffered the least stress and the lowest ranking the most, along with increased heart rates and higher blood pressure. Sapolsky's research had linked the stress of primates in the wild to their deteriorating health. He put it this way: basically, if you're a stressed, unhealthy baboon in a typical troop, you have an immune system that does not work well, high blood pressure, elevated levels of stress hormones, your reproductive system is more vulnerable to being knocked out of whack, and your brain chemistry bears some similarity to clinically depressed humans. After researching the baboon troop for 10 years, it went through a major crisis, after which the relationship culture between its members changed. Instead of abusing and stressing each other, they focused on enjoying each other's company and showing more care for one another. In other words, they focused on building a culture that prioritized building feel-good relationship bonds between the troop members. This change in relationship culture immensely improved their physical health and psychological well-being, and has stayed that way for the last 20 years. You can watch this documentary online by clicking the link below. Okay, that's a wrap. If what's been said has sparked your interest, hop on board by signing up for our newsletter for updates on our courses and early bird discounts.